So once you download Eclipse, for instance, you're going to get a compressed archive, and you can right-click and extract it, and it's going to result in a directory like this called Eclipse Installer. So just double-click that and head into that directory. And once in that directory, right-click and click Open in Terminal. And now you need to make sure that Java is installed. So I have had limited success with OpenJDK 8 with Eclipse, so I just installed OpenJDK 7, and let's see how that works. So just to recap, to install OpenJDK, type sudo apt-get install OpenJDK 7-JRE, or 8 for the version number. To confirm that you've got Java already installed, you just type java-version, and it should tell you what type of Java you've got installed. Now, to run the installer, we're going to target the current directory and run eclipse-inst. And it's going to launch the Eclipse installer. Now, once the installer comes up, you're going to see that we have a list of IDEs that we can install, and I downloaded the complete package, so it gives me every possible option here. I'm just going to install the Eclipse IDE for Java. Let's leave it here and hit install. It's going to install Eclipse to our home directory. The Eclipse directory is set up, and then any IDEs that you install are put into that directory. So it's asking, do I trust these certificates? And I'm going to select all and hit OK, because I'm confident that this is the actual application. I think it is. Now when it's done, it's going to present you with a launch button. So let's just click that and dive into Eclipse and have a quick look around. Now, I don't use Eclipse for development, but if you do, if this is something that you use on Windows or OS X and you feel comfortable using Eclipse, then you're going to probably want to use this on Linux. It's cross-platform, so everything should be the same. So this is Eclipse. It's the main window here. I'm going to create a new Java project, and I'm just going to call it Untitled. Not really feeling too creative at this point. Project layout, okay, yeah. Okay, so this all looks good. So I'm going to hit Next and Finish. All right. So on the left-hand side here, you have a Project Explorer, which is basically just a list of projects used in your Eclipse workspace. And this is my Java project that I just created. These files opened are from other projects using Eclipse. I did try it out. And so you can just get started right away in Eclipse.